Hello guys, today we made jail. Go into jail. Go in jail. I'm crying because the stand fell a lot of times. Oh yeah, I'm wreck. Oh, he got out. No. Go in. Boom. I know. Yeah. Oh, he said sorry. He thinks the food is yummy, but in real life it's so gross, I think. I don't know. Oh my god. What's his user? Okay. Join. I'm wreck a vid. Let's say hi. Look at him. Say hi, guys. Say hi to him. This is Mr. Nick, my new friend. I'm going into jail. Oh my god. I hate jail. On the screen it looks blue, I think. Not anymore though. Oh, kind of. Cannon. We're gonna get out. I'm gonna break in. You're in jail. You're in jail. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I died. Oh my god, it's super bright. Stop. Thank you. Stop. Oh my god, somebody's back. Oh my gosh. They're exploding it. Oh my god. We escaped. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Sorry. Sure. Jail. Loaded, yes. Oh! He got stuck. He got pranked. He got pranked. Oh my god. This is so... Ah! Oh no! Oh no! We are stranded in jail, guys. Guys, I gotta eat. No! Woo! Wait, did that actually happen? Oh, he actually died. He got thrown out. Guys, did you see that? Or was it me? He just fell out of jail. Oh my god. That was so funny. Oh no, a monster is on the loose. Oh my god, a mechanic is also on the loose. I killed him. Whoa! Whoa! Ow! Boom. Okay. He's gonna leave and rejoin, guys. No! Okay. Eagle Child is here. Oh my god. Oh my god, a hoverboard. And I'm not finished. Oh my god. Is that actual cake? Oh, that's a sandwich. Okay, let's load in jail. Wait, let's go on a boat. Launch. Oh, I thought he left. Oh wait, I forgot the giant seat. The big seat. Yeah. You mean the king. I'm the king. Yeah! Again. Because I'm sitting, right? Before you go. I'm getting stuff on camera. I don't care. Anvil. And that's it. That's boring. Oh my god, you only get 5 blocks? You should have told me, man. I'm gonna load in jail. Yeah. I like jail. Help. Help. The food is disgusting. Gross. Gross. Eagle. Eagle, join. Eagle, join. One candy bar. One, delete his candy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, yay! Step 2, delete that game. Step 2, delete the cake. Step 2, delete the cake. Guys, there. Oh. You're on cam. You're on cam. Cam. You said you made it. What do you mean? Okay, I'm going to show you my plushies I made. So I made plushies. I'm a plushie maker. Which, if you didn't know that, I made me a plushie. A lot of plushies. 4 plushies. So I made Jessie a plushie. I made me a plushie. I made my friend Javen right here a plushie. And this is Javen's friend, I guess. And his name is AA. He's gonna try to kill him. Oh my god. I'm black. You don't know that. I have a black shirt. And it's actually kind of rainbow and it says Fun Gaming. But I cannot add the other details. The details like the dragon wings, the Firmware Gaming thing, and then the rainbow. We're tiny, but it doesn't look like it. On screen, it looks like we're big. But look at this dude. He's huge. Yeah. Let me load in the plushies. Oh, wait, I did. This is Javian. This is AA. This is me. And this is Jesse's friend, Jesse's friends. This is Jesse right here. He has a top hat. He's a big boy. I gotta make his feet a little bit smaller. There. Now we can save. Wait. We gotta make his leg red. Is this the right color? No. Is this the right color? Yes. Save. Okay, now we changed Jesse. I died. I got 1 money. I cannot show you, but I have 1 money. Look, I can't even buy this. Look. 5 gold. Can't buy it. Eagle. Eagle. Yeah, eagle. Eagle child. Hello. You on cam. You on cam. Cam. Say hi. He said hi, guys. He said hi. You are on camera. You're on camera. Camera. Yee. 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 Oh, he just left. It's like random. So I got a piece of armor that has a UFO on it. Yeah, this is gonna be my armor, I guess. Cake. A UFO is gonna chase me if I do this. And clicked on anchor. Okay. Help. Oh. OMG. Guys, this okay, I'm using this for vid. Okay, I'm using this for vid. Guys, I got it. It's like, okay, I know, it's not done yet. Oof. my god! Oh my god! Guys, bed! I got bed! Oh my god, bed! Oh my god, bed! What is... Why? Ugh, this is so weird. Oh my god, bed! Oh my god, bed! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Launch. Launch. Oh my god. Dude. I'm glad I'm wreck right now. Dude, this was a great timing, but this is gonna be 30 minutes. Or if we launch this boat and die, if we die, I will end this video. Okay, I gotta turn PvP off though, so I don't die that fast. So yeah. Dude, look at this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I don't have a great enough build like this, but this is, I gotta get more. Guys, if I get more money, I'll make a video on spending all of my money and getting wood and a lot of other items, which I'm kind of poor right now. I have 1 gold. Oh, they unloaded it. Oof. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Soon I'll make a video on this. I think that's all for the video. I'm gonna make this 23 minutes.